Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSD is RAW and identifying it, model, interface, capacity, because commands differ by device. Once done, run a quick data scan to salvage files. You must avoid writing to the disk until salvage completes. Make sure you have a secondary drive for recovered files and bootable USB with recovery or live Linux. You will need admin privileges and basic terminal familiarity. These prerequisites let you proceed safely and prevent accidental data loss when repairing the file system. You now attempt repair. Run file system tools appropriate to the format, ChkDsk for NTFS, NTFS Fix, or E2FSCK for ext, or FSCK HFS for HFS+. If the partition table is corrupt, use testdisk or gdisk to rebuild or restore partitions. Follow prompts to list and write entries. At the same time, check S.M.A.R.T via S.M.A.R.T to understand underlying hardware faults. If reallocated sectors or pending sectors are rising, that explains failures. Proceed stepwise, verifying changes rather than forcing writes. You finish by deciding between repair success or reinitialization. If file system repair fails, ensure backups are complete, then perform a secure erase or low-level format with the SSD maker's utility to reset internal mapping and update firmware. Once erased, recreate partitions with correct alignment and create file system optimized for SSDs. If problems continue, errors persist, S.M.A.R.T worsens, contact support or RMA. Keep logs and S.M.A.R.T output for warranty. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent errors appear, test in another system to rule out controller or cable faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.